You're not lazy. You're not skipping workouts. You're trying, maybe even going hard. But your progress? Still stuck. No real gains. No real change. Here's the truth. You're probably making one of these 5 gym mistakes, and they're actually killing your results. Let's fix that. Mistake number 1, ego lifting. You're chasing numbers, not results. Throwing on more weight than you can handle, just to look strong in front of other people? Bad move. Half reps, wobbly form, no control. You're not building muscle, you're building bad habits, or worse, setting yourself up for injury. Slow it down. Lift what you can control. Focus on clean form, full range of motion. That's how you actually grow. Mistake number 2, no plan. You walk into the gym, hit a few machines, do whatever feels right that day, and then wonder why nothing's changing. That's not training, that's just winging it. Your body needs structure to improve, whether it's push-pull legs, upper, lower, or a full body routine. Pick something, stick to it. Track your progress every week. If you're guessing, you're not growing. Mistake number 3, skipping leg day. Yeah, we've all been tempted. Leg day hurts, takes energy, and no, it's not as fun as chest or arms. But skipping it? That's how you build a weak foundation. Your legs support everything. They drive real strength, balance, and full body growth. Plus, let's be honest, nobody respects the big upper body with chicken legs. Train your legs every single week. Mistake number 4, cardio confusion. Some people overdo cardio, thinking it's the fastest way to burn fat. Others avoid it completely because they're scared it'll kill their gains. Here's the truth. You need both strength and cardio, just not in extremes. Keep it simple. Lift weights, then add 2 to 3 short cardio sessions per week. It supports heart health, recovery, and fat loss without getting in the way of muscle. Use cardio smart, not blindly. Mistake number 5, a poor diet. You can train hard, but if you're eating like garbage, don't expect results. No amount of lifting cancels out fast food and soda. Start with the basics. Eat more protein, drink more water, cut down the processed junk. Fuel matters, recovery matters, discipline outside the gym is what shows up inside the gym. What you eat builds your body. Let's recap. Stop lifting with your ego. Start training with a plan. Don't skip legs, balance your cardio, and fix your diet. These 5 mistakes, they're common, but they're fixable. Make those changes, and you'll stop spinning your wheels and start seeing real progress. Train smart, eat well, stay consistent. Thanks for watching.